We are standing traditional Mohican land on the Adamah farm at the Isabella Freedman Jewish Retreat Center in Falls Village, Connecticut. And this is our chestnut orchard. In each of those tubes, a young chestnut sapling is protected. And we're really blessed to be stewards of this land, inviting you into this project by asking you to adopt a tree. It's not too late to celebrate 2021, to celebrate growth and resilience in this new year and help us finish our chestnut orchard and become an enduring part of climate resilience and the Adamah farm, right? In the Jewish tradition, we call the Torah a tree of life. And we know that growing food from trees and reforesting areas are key to both healthy food and a stable climate. And that's exactly what we're doing in this chestnut agroforestry project. Go to adoptatree at chazon.org and join us.